It won't open, look. And it won't tickle. Hi, Deadlocks here, and today we're going to be doing our Sunday challenge with, as you can see, our Jenga cubes, or as they're called, toppling towers from Aldi's own knockoff version. And as you can see, there is a set of keys, which means Miss Deadlocks is handcuffed. And so, challenge is, we're going to see who can take off as many of the, can build the highest tower with it, well, make as many turns without knocking over the Jenga stacks. So, when you're ready, Mr. Deadlocks, as you can see, he's going first, so he can't cheat. Oh.
This is very awkward.
One down. Oh.
Didn't like that. Just kind of cutting the blood off to my hands.
2.
Oh,
3.
I've done more than I thought I would.
I know.
Nope.
You just moved the whole thing.
That one.
Oh.
Swear words nearly happened. Oh.
4.
Oh.
You're giving yourself a workout.
Like, how am I supposed to get the stuff at this side? The other side's impossible to get to.
Do you want us to move the table further out for you?
No, you'll make it fall over.
I won't purposely make it fall over.
No, purposely.
I won't do it on purpose. Can he make number 5? Oh. Five. You're not meant to tidy it up. Stop tidying it up, because you're not meant to tidy it up, mister.
I don't know the rules of Jenga.
Well, I'm telling you, you don't tidy it up. And how are you going to get that out?
Ouch.
No, you've got to finish that move. You can't stop a move. You can't put it back in.
I haven't finished that move.
And you shouldn't have been allowed that move.
Why?
Because that's cheating.
I don't know what the rules of Jenga are.
The rule is you push it. That goes the way it goes. Thought letting you go first was going to work, but that really didn't. 6. So you're on number 7 now.
Oh. Your weird bendy arms is going to help you a lot with this.
I don't know, like. So that's 7. You're dying there. Gotta remember I'm rounder than you as well. Eight.
Oh, I've done it again.
No, you can't do that either. That's not how you play.
That's how you lose.
Mr. Deadlock's got 8. Let's pause and see how we can go.
And back again for Mrs. Deadlock's turn.
Which
Get this.
really didn't think this challenge through, saying one of my arms doesn't have full motion. So now, like, I literally have very limited range of movement. Like, I literally can't do anything. I can't even...
To me a bit.
Why?
I'm directing you. You're aiming for the top floor there. That's
Okay, go on. Oh my god!
I'll give you a chance. Right, there you
I
go.
literally have no motion.
You're miles away.
I can't even... I've got boobs! Boobs get in the way!
Boobs are on the front, not on the back.
But when you try to look over your boobs... Ugh.
Just throw it.
No!
See if it lands in the right place.
I can't even see my hands! This is not fun!
I'm having fun.
That's my butt! Done there! They'll do!
Alright, I'm going... Give you a fighting chance.
Okay.
There you go. Oops.
The fighting chance to unlock the table over. Okay.
You've got to use your mouth.
It's not fully over!
I'm pretty sure it's cheating now.
Ah. No!
You've already lost, you know.
No!
It's already fallen over.
Hasn't.
You've already failed.
No!
Yes.
It's horrible.
You've
Still winning!
You're not.
It's not over till the fat lady sings. Swigging! It's disgusting.
Just on top. That's not doing it properly.
That is! Where are the rules? I don't know the rules.
You've already knocked a load over. You're already like you lost it.
Think you might have won.
I think so too.
Yep.
Do you remember that double lock the handcuffs?
Oh, yeah. Get them off, please.
No.
Don't be mean.
Why? What are you doing? No, don't do that. You'll swallow. You'll choke on them.
Swallow them.
Oh, you choke.
This is just... Ow. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, my wrist's actually like... Oh. That was fun. Oh, look at that, man. It's because I have no range of motion when my arms are behind my back. Oh. Anyway. Oh, crack.
Yep, so...
I think you may have won that one.
I think I might have.
I'll let you have that one.
Anyway, that is all from us.
Thanks.
See you next time.
Bye.